Hey everyone, Jim with Images by Design, and welcome to my dining room table. This crappy lighting and my cell phone on a cheap stand. Now, why in the world would I do that? Well, it has to do with this package that I received from LumeCube. Now, anybody who's a subscriber here knows that I'm a big fan of LumeCube. I think they make great products at a fantastic price point, and I use them every day in my photography and videography business. They sometimes send me samples to review, and I'll post those reviews. I got lots of those reviews on this channel already. But what's in this box is actually paid product. In other words, I bought this during their recent Black Friday sale because the price was just too unbelievable not to take advantage of. So we're going to unbox what's in here. We're going to take a look. I'll explain everything that's in here, and maybe, just maybe, we'll get a chance to use what's in this box to make this scene look a whole lot better. Okay, let's start with unboxing this thing. Just to show you, this is still a sealed pack. All right. Now, I'm going to try to unbox this stuff in some kind of order. Let's see what I can do. Let's start with this guy right here. This is the LumeCube Panel Go, and I'll have to shuffle this around because of the glare of this crappy light I'm using now. This is the big brother to the LumeCube Mini. I thought I'd actually get myself a copy of one of these larger panels and maybe even do a live comparison video later on. So I'm excited to put that in with my bag. The rest of the stuff in here was part of a holiday special kit. I think they call it the Vloggers Holiday Special Kit. You can get that on their website through probably, well, the holidays 2021. That's kind of when I'm shooting this thing. So let's dig in here and just pull out stuff. Let's start with this. This is one of LumeCube's most recent items. I did a unboxing of this recently. This is the LumeCube video microphone. And I have used this thing for the last, 6-8 weeks so far since it first came out. And actually, I love this thing. The sound on this is much better than anything close to this price point. You have to go to 200 or up lav mics or boom quality mics, cardioid style mics to be able to get the sound that this thing puts out. So this works equally well whether it's mounted on the cold shoe of a camera or it's on a boom or a stick or whatever. What else comes in the kit is the Panel Mini. Now, I've done a full review of the Panel Mini. I like the Panel Mini a lot. It's the right combination of ruggedness. It's an aluminum housing light and lightweight. I can actually balance this on top of a gimbal camera, and it really allows me to kind of keep even light during even those walk around type of scenarios. Love the fact that now I've got a second Panel Mini. Keep one charged up, swap them out real quickly, and move on. The next thing I want to talk about, this is kind of cool. I'm really excited to get my hands on this. This guy right here, the Mobile Creator Stand. This is a tabletop tripod with a handhold arm and a mobile device grip. So you put your cell phone in here, maybe even a small tablet, and it's got mounting points, as you can see, for microphones or lights or other things, and it's part of that kit as well. What else do we have in here? Oh, yeah. So this, you can only get this product right now as part of this bundle, and this is just basically an extension pole. It extends out to 23 inches. So it would allow you, in conjunction with this guy, to be able to stand this on the ground, and so instead of that, you can have a nice steady shot for those kind of vlogging situations where you're in a sitting position or you're walking around in a room a little further away. So can't wait to try this bad boy out. And then finally, I'm really excited about this last bit of kit that's in the package, and this is a stand, an extension, a hand grip extension, but it's also a power bank. So that's a lot of cool stuff. Again, some of this I already have. These are multiple copies. Some of this is brand new stuff, and I'm really excited to crack this stuff open and give it a shot. Let's just do this. I'm going to replace the garbage that I've got sitting over here with this brand new stuff, and let's see how it compares when we use this proper equipment versus this cheap junk that I'm using right now. Let's first off replace this cheap stand with the Bubble Creator stand. Ready? Oh, wow, this is all metal. I was thinking this was a plastic kit. Is this nice upper stand? So we would basically, and there you go. A nice, better quality stand for your portable device. Let's take this, swap out the cheap garbage, and see if we get a nice, better view on this. Ready? Let's take a look at the next bit of kit, which is the Panel Mini. And I already know that the lighting in this scene is going to get so much better in just 1 second. Let's see if there's any juice in here at all. Oh yeah, well done, very nice. And I'm going to already set the color about like that. Let's see if we can get better lighting. All right, so much better light. Look at the harsh shadows behind me are gone, and I can already tell this is much, much nicer light than we had before. Now I still have a problem with, not as bad, I still have a problem with the shake because this thing is sitting on the table. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy right here and I'm going to open this little extension, pull, and there you go. I can extend that to however height I want. So now let's get this thing off the table so I can set this height exactly the way I want. All right, let's see what we can do about the audio in this thing. So I'm going to compare this, picking up the microphone in my smartphone. Never a great thing. And this is a Dead Kitten. This is for windy days outside. We're not going to need that today. More gel. Do not eat. And there's a little carrying pouch clip. And where's the actual mic? Oh, it's in the Dead Kitten. Okay. Now, we're going to put just this little standard muffler on the tip of this thing. That was hilarious. It was inside the Dead Kitten, right? That's funny as hell. Okay. Now, it comes with 2 different sets of cables. This one is for your cell phone. This one is for a camera. So we're going to put that one aside. And it's going to say right on there, it's going to say for phone. So let's do that. And because the clip has more cold shoe adapters right on that thing, we can plug that in. Let's do a sound check. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now we're going to plug this in and see what that sounds like. Okay, I have plugged in the video mic to my port on the side of my phone, and hopefully this is going to sound much better. So let's repeat the exercise. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And this one is with the video microphone attached. I hope that sounds much better to you. Now we have 2 other items I just want to point out quickly from this pile of new stuff. First, let's take a look at this power bank grip. And this is really much nicer than I was expecting. It's an all aluminum body with this rubbery grip surface on a good portion of it. You've got USB Type-C port for charging it, along with the USB-C type cable you need to do that. and of course your usual, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of power indicator LEDs there. And on the other side is just a USB type A cable for you to plug in your whatever cable you need to charge whatever device you're going to plug this in. That's one less thing I need to put up on a stand when I'm doing events with a, whatever kit I'm using as a second or third order camera. I'm really going to put this thing to really good use. I may have to order another couple of these because this is really, really nice. And then the last thing I bought in this package, this is a separate order. Everything we've talked about so far is part of that vlogger kit. And I also bought one of these, which is the full-size Panel Go, the big brother, the Panel Mini that you are now seeing me use for this video. It is about 20% more in every direction: the size, the weight, the amount of lumens power, and it comes with the LumaCube's very nice little mini ball head. This is everything that came in that package. It was a really good deal. Again, this is a holiday. Well, I bought it on the Black Friday special, so I got a little bit more off. But all this is still available on the LumaCube site with a holiday sale. And I'll put a link to a coupon code that allow you to maybe get a few more pennies off from that. I hope you enjoyed this video. For Images by Design, I'm Jim Setzer. Have a fantastic day.